I'm going to show you guys how to create a screencastify recording. First, you need to open up your Chrome browser, and we're going to need to add the extension to your extension area up here at the top right of the browser. And actually for this extension, you'll have to go to the website, screencastify.com. Hit the big blue button and add the extension. Once it's finished, you'll have this little pink arrow up at the top, and that's Screencastify. So we'll want to click on that for the first time and sign in with Google. And you're going to want to allow all the permissions for this to work correctly. Okay, now you're ready to do your Screencastify recording. So you're going to hit the little pink arrow again, and you'll be able to choose whether you want to add it just to be you on the webcam, the desktop, or just the browser that you're using. And you can either embed your webcam when you're using the desktop, or you can just add the microphone, which is what I'll be doing. And so to start it, you just hit record. And I believe that you can share your entire screen or just the application window. I'm not sure if this is just a Mac thing or not. So I'm going to hit share.
3, 2, 1.
And it'll count you off. And this is when you can start your recording. So for this recording, I'm going to talk about sharing a folder in Google Drive. So to organize my Google Drive, I have a whole lot of folders here. And you can see little people on the folder, and those are the folders that I have shared with other people. So rather than sharing single documents like you could do by just hitting share, right-clicking and hitting share, you can take an entire folder, like the Tech Committee, right-click and share that as well. Once you're at your sharing settings, go to Advanced, and you'll see the regular dialog to share Google Files. And so once you add who you would like on your folder, you just hit Save Changes, and done. And that's it. And the whole folder will be accessible and editable depending on which selection you chose for those people. Once you're done with your recording, you just hit stop sharing, and it'll count you off. And this is when you can start, and it's going to start playing your video automatically. And so you can take this video and you can just hit the share button, and you can get the link. So you can share it from your Google Drive or your YouTube channel, get the link, copy and paste it anywhere, and you're done.